Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Today we'll be focusing on connecteurs du discours, what we call linking words. Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. Connecteur du discours. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Discourse markers, or what we call linking words, are generally described as the glue that binds together a piece of writing or text. These sentence connectors make the lines of the text more cohesive. Now, fun fact, linking words are used less frequently in speech unless it's a formal speech like a debate. Linking words appear more in text language. Now, how do you use sentence connectors? Sentence connectors can be used to begin a new sentence, or it can be a new clause that follows a semicolon. Some sentence connectors can be placed in different positions within one sentence. For example, in an initial position. Par exemple, car elle est malade, elle a besoin de repos. So, since she's sick, she is resting. And it can also be used in the midway position at the start of another clause. Par exemple, elle doit se reposer parce qu'elle est malade. She has to rest because she is sick. Now, as you draft your essays, your compositions, your letters in French, here are some useful sentence connectors that you can use when you're adding something. Typically, these sentence connectors are at the initial position. De plus, en plus, par ailleurs, aussi. Now, in your essays, letters, and compositions, when you're making a contrast between two separate things, people, ideas, here are some sentence connectors that you may use in the initial position. Cependant, en revanche, par contre, pourtant. Now, as you write your French letter or an essay, for example, and you're making an unexpected contrast or what we call a concession, you may use the following sentence connectors as a second or subordinate clause. Bien que, même si, malgré, indépendamment de. Now, as you're writing or you're making a formal speech and you want to say why something is the case, you may use the following sentence connectors as a second or subordinate clause. Parce que, car, ainsi, pour autant que. Now, to say what the result of something is, you may use the following sentence connectors. Ainsi, par conséquent, à la suite, donc. For expressing a condition, en cas de, tant que, en supposant que, si. To make a point that you're saying stronger, au contraire, d'ailleurs, en fait, en effet. C'est tout, merci.